Number 1.
1969 Ford F250, price $6,900, featuring a striking yellow exterior paired with a black interior. It is powered by a reliable 351 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, and currently shows 120,000 miles on the odometer. The truck has undergone a full sandblasting and received a fresh coat of paint, giving it a clean, restored appearance. Although significant work has already been done, such as the installation of a new brake booster, brake pump, and brand new brake cylinders on all four corners, the braking system still requires further attention, as it is not yet functioning properly. Despite this issue, the vehicle remains a solid candidate for a classic truck enthusiast looking to finish off a nearly complete project.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $10,000, with 110,000 miles on the odometer. This truck has been well maintained and still runs and drives very well. It features an automatic transmission for easy driving and is finished in a bold and attractive blue exterior that highlights its classic styling. Under the hood, the Silverado is equipped with a 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic gearbox, delivering smooth and consistent power. Several recent upgrades have been made to improve its reliability and comfort, including a brand new steering gearbox and lines, new front springs, and new shocks.
These enhancements ensure a more stable ride and responsive handling, both on the road and around town. Number 3.
1992 Mazda B2200, price $4,700. This is a clean and well-kept compact truck with 109,000 original miles, a gasoline engine, and an automatic transmission. It has a burgundy exterior and a tan interior rated 9 out of 10 in condition. It comes with stock wheels currently installed, but also includes a set of chrome 17-inch wheels from a 2003 Escalade and a matching spare wheel. The tires are in good condition. The interior features upgraded third-row seats from a 2004 Tahoe, fitted on the original Mazda seat tracks so they still slide properly. An aftermarket radio is installed and sounds great. This B2200 has been lowered correctly with 4 Beltec drop blocks in the rear and a re-indexed front, giving it a smooth ride. There are some minor dents and scratches, but nothing major. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1983 Chevrolet K20, price $10,000, dependable and rugged classic 4x4 pickup with 183,000 miles.
It's powered by a 350 small block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission.
The engine, painted purple, likely indicates a past rebuild running strong and staying cool even on hot days. The flat black exterior isn't perfect, but the body is solid, especially the cab and front clip, which are said to have come from Oklahoma. The bed has minor rust in typical areas but remains very fixable. The burgundy interior adds vintage contrast, equipped with a newer steering stabilizer, worn lockout hubs, Edelbrock carb, headers, and cherry bombs. This K20 sounds and drives great. It's made several highway trips, including to Tionesta, Pennsylvania, cruising easily at 70 miles per hour.
Number 5.
1988 Dodge D100, price $8,000. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. According to the seller, the title matches the mileage on the truck, adding confidence to its history. Under the hood, it features a mildly built 360 engine, fitted with flat-top pistons, a Mopar performance cam, a high-rise intake, and a 4-barrel carburetor. Long tube headers feed into an H-pipe and Flowmaster exhaust system, giving it a deep, aggressive tone and strong performance. The truck runs, drives, and stops great with plenty of power, making it ready to hit the road at any time. Though it's worth noting, it has quite the appetite for fuel. While not a show truck, it's a very nice and solid driver.
All the lights and the gas gauge are fully functional, and it offers a blend of vintage charm with reliable mechanical upgrades. Number 6.
1991 Dodge D150, price $7,500. It features a white exterior paired with a brown interior, maintaining its classic charm. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 318 Ci V8 engine, it's equipped with an Edelbrock Performer intake and a 650 CFM Edelbrock Performer carburetor for improved performance. The power is delivered through a 727 or automatic transmission with overdrive, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. There is absolutely no rust on this vehicle. Every panel of sheet metal is solid and original, making it a standout for its condition and originality. Mechanically, it's been thoroughly updated with new brakes, a master cylinder, an aluminum radiator, thermostat, fuel pump. Alternator, battery, starter, ignition coil, and distributor all recently replaced to ensure long-term reliability. While the truck is equipped with heat only and does not have air conditioning, it does feature a functioning radio system enhanced with a subwoofer and amplifier, providing quality sound on the road.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,950, all-original pickup truck with 176,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it features a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. This is a 2WD long bed model, making it an ideal choice for hauling and utility work. The truck runs and drives great, offering a dependable and smooth driving experience. It has been used primarily as an extra vehicle, but its performance and reliability make it a great candidate for daily use or work-related tasks. With its gasoline engine and fully original condition, the Chevrolet 2500 stands out as a durable and practical classic truck that continues to deliver strong performance.
Number 8.
1967 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,100, with 130,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a strong 350 V8 engine paired to a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 10-bolt rear end. The truck features power disc brakes and has recently received several upgrades, including new valve covers, a new air cleaner, new rear shocks, and rear exhaust turnouts. Finished in black both inside and out, this Chevy rides on freshly installed wheels and tires. While it runs and drives, it still needs some work. Most notably, it's missing the inner fenders and the tailgate. Despite that, it wouldn't take much to get this truck road ready and heading to cruise night by the weekend. It's a solid base for someone looking for a fun, reliable cruiser that just needs a little finishing to shine.
Number 9.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000. It features a reliable automatic transmission and is powered by a strong GM Goodwrench 350 V8 engine, paired with a 400 automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and showcases a striking gold exterior complemented by a bold red interior. Built and restored 17 years ago by the current owner, this C10 has always been garage-kept, preserving its condition remarkably well over the years. The body is approximately 98% rust-free, with only a couple of very small spots in the cab corners, hardly noticeable. It comes equipped with dual exhaust for a deep, throaty rumble and rides on brand new Cooper Cobra tires. This Chevy has clearly been loved, maintained with care, and kept in excellent mechanical and cosmetic condition.
Number 10.
1967 Chevrolet C10, price $2,900, equipped with a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and features power steering for easier handling. It runs and drives fine, making it a fun cruiser around town. However, it does emit some smoke and has a noticeable engine tick, indicating it may need some attention before being used for anything beyond local driving. Currently, the truck is fitted with a generic 4-barrel carburetor, but it also comes with a rebuildable Edelbrock carb and a complete rebuild kit included in the sale.
Given its mechanical condition, it's recommended to bring a trailer if you're not local to the Norman area.